Hi, I'm Brad Crum of Brad Crum Creative. I'm really proud of my business doing video production, and I want my vehicle to reflect that pride. And it usually does, except that, I don't know, a few months ago, I backed up into this monster truck at a parking lot, and its bumper was way up there, and it didn't even begin to match mine. So he punched a little dent in the back of my car. It wasn't that big, but it really bothered me. I mean, whenever I looked at my car, that's all I could see was that dent. But I didn't fix it, and I didn't fix it because I didn't want to go in and mess up the paint job with, trying to match the color and going through the whole repainting a certain portion of the car just to get this little dent taken care of. So I lived with it. And I hated it that I had to live with it. And then somebody told me about the Columbia Dent Company and Wally Inskeep. And the first time I met Wally, I walked in there, and I mean, the guy just knows his stuff. I mean, he's done it for years. There's so many people out there who say that they do paintless dent work, but they don't have this kind of experience. He gave me a quote that was less than a third of what I would have had to pay to go out and have that portion of my car repainted and redone. And he did a fantastic job. And I watched him do it. And it was like tap, tap, tap this, pull, pull, pull that. It was like watching an artist doing sculpture. And I think that's really what he was doing. He was re-sculpting and refining the shape of my car where it should have been. And it looked fantastic. And it's just good to have people like Wally Inskeep and Columbia Dent Company around, because they really understand what quality work is all about.